Hi everybody, welcome to Room Brothers. The theme of today's video is motorcycling guide for July 2024. If you are somebody who wants to buy a motorcycle in 2024 and you are confused with your purchase decision, then this one is for you. You don't want to skip on this one. If you are somebody who recently got into motorcycling and you are fairly new with this thing and your requirements are daily commuting and a bit of weekend riding, then listen to this very carefully. You don't need a bigger motorcycle. Go for motorcycles below 300cc. If you live in Asia, country like India, there are very good options available in 2024 which will serve your purpose very well and will do justice for your money. So let's talk about the available options out there. Because we are in 2024, let's not talk about the machines that are below 150cc. So I'm going to talk about machines starting from 150cc to 250cc as a first part. Then we will go till 400cc in the second part. So if we consider machines from 150cc to 250cc, we have the brands like Bajaj, Suzuki, Yamaha, Honda, TVS that have motorcycles which are very pocket friendly and no nonsense machines that would give you the bang for your buck. Then if we go a notch up, 250cc to 400cc, if we talk about this range and you are ready to shell out a bit more of your money, then I would like to divide this into two categories. There are brands that are budget friendly but at the same time don't compromise on the specs. Then there is another category that are more performance oriented. We in the first category have the likes of Bajaj, TVS, KTM, Royal Enfield, Honda, even the fairly new Harley Davidson. This is the first category of brands which are budget friendly but also don't compromise on specs. Then there are brands that are a bit more expensive and are purely performance oriented. In this category, we have the likes of Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Triumph, BMW, and the newly launched Aprilia 2, the 457. So this is a comprehensive guide of the options that are available out there, as it would take a lot of time for me to talk about each one individually. So I'm limiting this to a comprehensive guide. If you want me to speak on a particular motorcycle or a brand, comment down below. I'll make a separate video on it. So hear this carefully. Consult an expert who are in the automotive sector like me. Talk with them, consider their inputs, then go to showroom, Take multiple test rides. If possible, insist for a longer test drive. Then make the decision for your purchase. I'm going to talk about the brands even more extensively, putting them into categories, and you don't want to miss out on that video. So quickly go and subscribe the channel, and also do follow me on Instagram, which is linked in my bio, and engage with the content. You will not regret it. That's it for today's guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.